In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress images to MozJPEG with Squoosh. If you want smaller, faster loading images without losing visible quality, this workflow is quick, free, and runs right in your browser. First, open your favorite browser and head to squoosh.app. Squoosh is a web tool that processes images locally using WebAssembly, so you get speed and privacy with no install required. On the home screen, click the area that says Drop or Paste an image. You can also drag a file from your desktop straight onto the page, or paste from your clipboard if you've copied an image. Both options land you in the editor. Next, choose the image you want to compress. Large photos from a camera or high-resolution PNGs work great here. Once loaded, Squoosh shows a split view. The left side is your original, the right side is the output. Drag the center slider to compare details as you tweak settings. Now look to the output panel on the right and open the Format dropdown. This is where you select the compression codec for the final download. From the list, pick MozJPEG. MozJPEG is a modern JPEG encoder that produces smaller files than standard JPEG at the same perceived quality. After selecting it, adjust the settings below. The quality slider is the big one. A starting point around 70 to 80 often keeps photos crisp while cutting size dramatically. Use the compare slider and the zoom tool to check faces, skies, gradients, and text edges. If you need smaller files, nudge quality down in small steps and recheck. You can also enable progressive if you prefer images that appear quickly and refine as they load. Chroma subsampling at 4:2 is usually best for the web, preserving detail where it matters while saving bytes. When you're happy with the preview and the estimated file size, download your compressed image. Click the download button in the lower right to save it to your computer. Squoosh will export a .jpg using your MozJPEG settings. Keep the original file as a backup in case you want to revisit the balance between size and quality later. Keep an eye on the size readout under the preview to see how much you're saving, and aim for the smallest file that still looks clean to your eye. And that's the whole process. Open Squoosh, drop in your image, choose MozJPEG from the dropdown, tune the quality, and download. With just these steps, you'll get fast, web-ready images that look great and load quickly.